Folks, and welcome to US Marker Board. My name is Scott Newman. What I'm going to show you today is the Bali Classic 1-inch 8-gauge mini blind. The 8-gauge 1-inch mini blind from the Classic comes with an 1.5 inch by 1 inch headrail, very solid, and it comes with 8-gauge slats, which is what I consider the better blind on the market, rather than the 6-gauge slat, which is really a lighter gauge, not really for commercial use. This is the better blind to go with. What I'm going to show you is how to measure it and install it. Now, you'll see here that we're going to measure the blind from here to here. This is an inside installation. If we were going to measure it from here to here, it would be an outside installation. When we do an inside measurement, if you give me the sizes from stop to stop and top to bottom, I will take the deductions off for the brackets, which are these. Brackets will go here, and with the screw, we take off 1/4 inch to make sure that it will fit within the space and it won't hit the sides. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to install it and show you how it looks. Now what I'm using is a typical hex head, and I'm using a number 8 3/4 inch sheet metal screw. The brackets are universal, so you can go most any direction that you need that will hit your wood or plasterboard or anything that you will need. I prefer 2 screws per bracket, regardless of the direction I'm going in. Bigger blinds will come with a center support, so that which you will need to put in, and you'll need to measure it off to put it in the right location. The instructions come with it how to install it with the center support. Each blind is ordered to the size and specification that you provide. We custom make them to your window. Volume discounts are always available, and we do large and small projects. And there you have it. That is your 8-gauge mini blind Bali Classic from Bright Incorporated US Marker Board. And my name is Scott Newman.